Hello and welcome to this video review of the 2023 Lucid Air luxury sedan. Lucid has made a notable impact in the EV market with the Air, which boasts a big battery and compact motors designed in-house, allowing it to deliver unbeatable range and great performance. In fact, the Air has the longest range of any electric vehicle currently on the market, according to EPA estimates. The Grand Touring Performance model can jump to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds or, when driven sedately, can sail on for 516 miles. That's enough range to get from Boston to Baltimore with electrons left over. The new Sapphire model is even quicker, with a claimed 60 miles per hour time of under 2.0 seconds. The Air's stylish exterior and spacious cabin add to its desirability, but its price tag had us expecting to find plusher materials inside. Almost all of the car's controls are accessed through one of several display screens that dot the cabin, a reminder of Lucid's Silicon Valley roots, and the software interface in the early cars is still a work in progress. Otherwise, the luxury four-doors performance, driving range, and general snazziness make it a viable competitor for high-dollar EVs such as the Porsche Taycan and Mercedes-Benz EQS, as well as that other high-impact EV disruptor, the Tesla Model S. For 2023, Lucid has added a stealth look appearance package to the Air's options sheet, which swaps the car's exterior brightwork for dark gray alternatives and replaces the car's 20 or 21-inch high polish wheels with black ones. The blacked-out look is available on all but the base pure trim. There's also a new Sapphire performance model with a more powerful 3-motor drivetrain claimed to offer over 1,200 horsepower. The entry-level Air features a single electric motor driving the rear wheels and produces 480 horsepower. Other models have dual electric motors that provide all-wheel drive and a variety of horsepower ratings. The Touring model generates 620 horses, and the Grand Touring makes 1050. The Air has the longest range of any electric vehicle currently on the market, according to EPA estimates. The Grand Touring and Grand Touring Performance models offer up to 516 and 446 miles of range, respectively. Inside the Air, Lucid has created a luxury car with handsome interior and rich-looking materials. Lucid is especially proud of the sedan's expansive passenger space, which is highlighted by a large back seat. While the standard rear seating is said to be comfortable for up to 3 adults, there's also an optional executive rear seating option that adds a recline function for ultimate comfort. The Air's glass roof makes it feel even airier and helps outward visibility. Overall, the Lucid Air luxury sedan is a top-of-the-line EV with unbeatable range and great performance. Its stylish exterior and spacious cabin add to its desirability, although the price tag may put it out of reach for some. However, with the addition of the new Sapphire performance model and the stealth look appearance package, Lucid is giving consumers more options to make the Air their own.